Hi guys, in front of me is Realme C55 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first open your phone dialer, choose the contact that you wish to personalize, select edit and click on add picture. Here select the source from which you want to pick this photo. It can be one from One Illustrations, one from Google Photos or devices internal storage photos. And let me pick something from my own gallery. Maybe this one. Now customize it however you like and tap on choose. Finally click on save. And that's it. As you can see from now on, this picture is assigned to the contact, and anytime Imo will be calling me, I will be able to see this card photo at first. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.